I wouldn't necessarily have already had the ceiling fixed up. I mean, although the ceilings are done, we are back in this 1920s bungalow, which we have started to already film from beginning to end of its full restoration. And we wanted to talk about the bathroom vanities, the lights and the mirrors, because we are coming into an issue with our vanity light location. In the framing section of this whole job, we had the plumbers and the electricians do their rough-in, and we didn't have a specific height for the vanity lights, which, was that a good thing or was it a bad thing? I would suggest if you can already have your items, like your vanity lights, the way they're going to be shining down or up, or also the size of your mirrors. Is it gonna be a 24 by 36 inch high? That will help your electricians already place their boxes for sconces already in a proper location. Whereas here, we're going to have to take out the mirrors of their boxes so that we can see where they're going to sit properly on the wall, and that will tell our electricians where they need to move their sconces. Would it have helped if we had these items already pre-planned out? Yes, because we wouldn't have to cut drywall again, but it's okay, things happen, and this is also what happens in restoration projects. We're just gonna show you what we are doing with the area that has the center light already and that already has the vanity there. But let's unpack this mirror.
Oh, there's two in
Yeah.
it. All right. Yeah, and this is much closer to that.
So, what I told you about the finish of the gold, this is actually much closer to the finish of the champagne bronze rather than that nasty gold over there in the faucet. So I think this is we can keep those, but I need to find a type of champagne bronze light to go into this bathroom.
The less we move it around,
I'm gonna go measure the backsplash really quick. Hold on.
Oh,
4.
I think you probably didn't mark it there.
So you can go down to that, see what it goes.
41 and a quarter.
No.
Actually, that's perfect. You're pushing it out.
We better do this. I'm gonna screw in the window. I guess I call it.
Good enough for me, folks. Okay, it's too hot. Why are my jeans?
I thought we had AC in it.